let me show you how to do the easiest Canada Day makeup you've ever done. I already primed my eyes with the Essence primer. Now we're going to use some tape and tape up our eyes, following the natural line of your eye anyways, right about there. So first thing we're going to do is just use a dollar store brush, any white that you have, and we are going to put it on our eyelid. Pull down this way so it doesn't ruin the tape, and make sure to go underneath. Next, take any red that you have, and I'm just taking like this angled brush here, and we're gonna pat it in right over here and bring it over, just like that. Now for the red eyeliner, I'm taking some setting spray, and I'm just putting it right directly on the red, and we're going to take this little like really fine brush and mix it in really, really well. And then what we're going to do is we are going to put the eyeliner on. So basically just pull it down and then put it on there heavy. And we're going to bring it up and we're going to bring it out right here. And I make sure to put a little bit on the underneath as well. Now I let that dry just where it's like kind of a wet liner. All right, let's take off the tape and see what we're working with. So pretty crisp. I might have to fix it up a little bit, and that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I just gotta fix it up a little bit right there. All right, so it's all fixed up. I'm gonna do some finishing touches and I will show you the final result. And just in case you're interested in the base tutorial, I'm just putting some concealer on. I'm letting it sit. I'm gonna puff it in. So we're just going to do some light contouring. I like this Iconic pot. I really do. I've been using it for like a year or so. So just a little bit right here. Oh, there was way more on my brush than I thought there was. Again. So just some right there. A little bit under the chin. A little bit right up here. And then I'm going to contour my nose. For blush, we're going to use our NARS in the shade Orgasm. And I'm just going to basically put it like right here. Beautiful. A little bit on the nose. And on the chin, spread that out better. A little bit up here to look a little sun-kissed. And yeah, that's the blush. Now a little bit of highlighter. And I feel like a red lipstick is just a must, so I'm using my Dragon Girl from NARS. And literally, this is the Canada Day look. I think it's so cute, so simple, so easy to do. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!